Alright guys, let's have a look at the second question on this paper. So it says a game involves throwing a die and spinning a spinner. The sum of the two numbers obtained is the score. The table of scores below is partially completed. So let's continue reading the question, see if there is a need to even complete this table. So it says, what is the probability of getting a score of 7 or more? We clearly need to finish the table, so let's go ahead and have a look at what we've got. So on the left-hand side, we've got the number you got by throwing the die, and on the top, you've got the number that you got from spinning the spinner. We know that adding those two numbers together will give you the score. So if we got a 3 on the die and a 1 on the spinner, those add up to give you 4. If you got a 4 on the die and a 1 on the spinner, that will add up to give you 5. We can see a clear pattern here. So to save some time for this question, let's go ahead and continue on with this pattern. And this pattern will continue on in the rest of the columns here, so we can save a bit of time going ahead and completing the pattern like so. Now that we've finished our table, we know that in order to get a probability, we need a total number of scores. So let's have a look at the total number of scores that we've got here. So 1, 2, 3, 4 multiplied by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's a total of 24 scores. That's going to be your denominator for the probability that we're looking for. Now for the numerator, that's the number of times a 7 or more has popped up in this table. So let's go ahead and circle them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it looks like our probability is 10 out of 24. At this stage, we can't see anything that looks like 10 out of 24 in our answer options, but we're not going to freak out. We're going to simplify this down and then see what we've got. So in order to simplify this, I'm going to look at the highest common factor for both my numerator and my denominator. So it looks like highest is possibly 2. So let's go ahead and divide 10 by 2. That's going to give me 5. Whatever I do to the top, I need to do to the bottom, or else I'm going to be changing the fraction. So 24 divided by 2 is 12. And looking at my answer options, it becomes clear that D is the correct answer for this question.